When I offered this air compressor up to my AJT engine to drive the air conditioning, I discovered that this pulley was about 5 millimeters proud of where it should have been. Now, although this is the correct part number, well, it is on the box at least, this air conditioning pump, although it's supposed to fit my 2.5 TDI VW motor, has the incorrect pulley on the front. This has got a much deeper kind of back section here. You can see there's the 6-rib section there for the belt, and then it has about 12 mil at the back, which pushes this part of the pulley too far away from the air conditioning pump, and the rib should run about there, and it doesn't. So what I've done is I've purchased a new clutch for a Sandon SD7V6 air compressor, and the part number for this over there from Thermotech. By buying a new clutch kit off Autodoc for this compressor style, it comes with the new front plate as well, which is that there. What I'm going to do is I'm going to remove this clutch and pulley, and I'm going to replace it with the correct clutch and pulley. You can see here, if I line the back of the correct pulley up with this pulley, you can see that that difference there is the difference between my air conditioning belt fitting and mine not fitting. So I'm going to take that off and replace it with that one. The clutch assembly on these air conditioning compressors, much like others that I've seen on YouTube, has a front plate, which is that there, which is held on by that nut and a spacer. And then below that it has the magnetic clutch, which engages when power is applied to it. And then so you have the pulley and then the clutch on the inside. I'll separate these two. So there's the pulley, the bearing, and then you have the clutch. Now I'm hoping that I don't need to change the clutch. Hoping that all I need to do is slip on this new pulley, which has the correct spacing. I'm going to hold the pulley in place with this little contraption that I have from the Discovery, so I can hold it in place and remove the nut at the center. So that's the nut off. Hopefully I can lever this off with a thin screwdriver. It's just a nylock nut. I've managed to lever 2 small screwdrivers in there and break the seal free. It's coming off, just sliding off the shaft like that. There we go. I'm hoping that these 2 plates are the same diameter, which I suspect that they are. The existing one has a key in it, which is great. The new one doesn't have a key in it, has a spline shaft. And that's what it looks like with the front plate removed. You can see that the shaft on this compressor has a key in it, which corresponds to that key in the front plate. So hopefully I can reuse this front plate and just swap out the pulley. You can just about see in there, there's a circlip that I need to remove. Almost got this out now. There we go. There's the circlip. I'm now going to use a large bearing puller to get rid of this pulley. That's the pulley coming off now. we go. That's the clutch, which I'm hoping I don't have to replace. Let's have a look. Is it the same thickness? Yep, those are the same by the looks of things with the naked eye. So, well, that seems to fit. Before I fit the front plate, I need to reinsert this circlip into the little groove at the top of that main circular shaft you can see there. Hopefully this light is not going to flicker too much, but you can see that the circlip is in place now. I've got the flat edge down and the chamfered edge facing up. Now to fit the front plate on the key. Bada bing! Wow, it's a fit. There we go. Plate is on securely. Now to attach the nylock nut. Let's tighten this up. Apply the pressure in the opposite direction this time. Give that a good. Should do it. Front plate, and there it spins beautifully. No play. Excellent. Don't forget to like and subscribe so you don't miss the next episode of this AC install series. Thanks for watching.